Welcome to your back office in your new website. I'm glad you made it this far. As you can see over here, there's updates that need to be done, and same with the plugins. To change your password, all you do is go up to, you probably won't have a little face here, but I do. But you just hover over there and just go to edit my profile. And when you get here, just scroll down all the way down, and it's going to say generate password. Now you can just, type in whatever you want here. You know what I mean? And when you get done, if it's a weak one, you just click on confirm weak password, and then you just update um, your information. Okay? So it's easy to do that. That way you can remember your password, your login and password. Sometimes you lose your information for this stuff. Okay. Now if I go to my website, this is what it looks like right now. So see, it's just bare bones, mosquito yard spray, hello world, and this is the kind of stuff that you want to try to change. And I'll show you really quickly how to do some of this stuff, but it's going to be up to you how your website is going to look. Everybody's got their own taste. So first thing I do is I go to posts, and hold on. Sorry about that. My wife decided she wanted to print something, so that's what you heard. So when you get into the post, this is the only post that's going to be here. This hello world post. I just click trash. Okay, and then you go down to pages, and you'll only have a sample page there, and just click trash. Okay, that'll make your website look like this. Okay, so right now there's nothing to be found, and just another WordPress site. So now to change all this stuff, go back to your dashboard, go to appearance, customize appearance. Okay, then just go to site identity and see where it says just another WordPress site. Now I got what I want here, mosquito yard spray. That's going to be the name of my WordPress site. But your tagline, this is what they call your tagline, could be keep them critters away for good. Okay, this is just something to put in there. You know what I'm saying? And also you can go back over here. You can go, you can change your header. You can put a header image up there if you want to. You can also change the colors. So say this is the background color. See how the background is all black? You can change the background color, say to red. See how it just changed to red or yellow. Whatever you want your background to look like. I kind of like the blue myself. I'll keep it there. I'll keep it there. Your link colors, when you highlight over, see how it turns light blue. You can change that. You can change the main text color if you want to. You know. So then, nope. I just want to go back over here. Now, you can also you can put a background image back here, which menus and widgets. We're going to go through that here in a second. So I'm going to save what I got right now. Keep them critters away for good, and keep this blue backsplash. And then see it's saved. You go back over here. Okay. I'm not going to do the updates right now. I don't know how long they're going to take. And right now, your install plugins, you only have, let's see, you can get rid of Hello Dolly. I don't even know why they have that there. Yes, delete files. I never use this AskMet. I always delete that. I never use the HostGator walk me through thing, so I delete that. Always keep the Jetpack. You activate Jetpack. Okay, so now what you have to do to get it, you have to connect to WordPress.com. So you have to have a WordPress.com account. So I'm not going to go through all that right now. It's going to take too long. But what I want to do now is I want to actually install a new plugin. So I'm going to do add new. Okay. Now, if somebody comes to your website and you messed up on a link somehow, you made an error in spelling or whatever, and you put that out to the world, and somebody tries to click on it, they're going to get a 404 error, which is a page that looks like crap. Okay. So you want your page, you want them to come back to your front page. So we're going to look for a plugin called 404 page. And hit enter. Sorry about that. Okay, so here's this 404 page. Now, these check marks mean they work with your version of your WordPress site. This doesn't have it, which is saying that it hasn't been tested with my WordPress site. But I'm going to go ahead and install it anyway because it's just a simple program. It should work fine. Okay, so then you activate the plugin. Okay, so now that the plugin is activated, you would go to the settings. Okay, and so you need to redirect this 404 error. And right now we don't have anything to put it in. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to Pages, and you're going to start a new page. And the new page, you don't have to put a title here because this is going to be your front page. So if you just put here like this is my first website. Okay, so you can make it what you want. I'm going to go ahead and publish it just so I could show you what to do with this plugin here. Okay, so now it's published. So if you go to the first, you have to make it your front page. So we will go to settings, to reading. Okay, and here's the pages. So you want to click on a static page, and you want your front page to be the no title page. Okay, we didn't put a title in there, remember? Then you save it. Okay, so that's going to be your front page. Every time somebody goes to your website, that's the first page that they're going to go to. It's called your home page. Okay, so then we'll go to the plugins again. We'll go to this 404 plugin and we'll do the settings. And so what we're going to do, and now that we have a page there, we're going to redirect it to the front page. And we're going to save changes. So now, if you make a mistake on your URL and misspell something by accident, and you got your basic website there, like mine being mosquitoyardspray.com, most people make the mistake when they do the backslash and they do their extension if it's a page that they wanted to go to for promotion or something, and they misspell it, and it'll always redirect them back to the front page. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now, also, I wanted to show you one more thing real quick. We want to go to Appearance and then go to Widgets. Widgets are pretty cool. Okay, now right now in the sidebar, if you go to your front page, you're going to see all this stuff in your sidebar. Whoops, I made a mistake. Anyway, this stuff is going to be in your sidebar, and that is in your widgets. Okay, so if you go back to the dashboard and you go to widgets, will it go back there? No, so we got to go to appearance widgets. And what I do is, I'll take out some of the stuff, like this metadata. You don't really need that. Okay, categories, you don't really need that. Archives, you don't really need that. Okay, I don't even put the search in there because you don't have enough to search on your website yet. Okay, so now you got recent posts and comments. So if you go back to your website now, all you got there is comments. Alright, so let's go back to the widgets area. Okay. Oh, I know why the recent post didn't show up, because we don't have any posts yet. That's cool. Alright, now you can use this box here. If you go back up, it'll scroll itself, and you can put that up there. Now, if you wanted to put anything in there like I don't know, a URL to another site, say, or you want to put in some kind of code for like a PayPal button or something, this is where you put it in, right here. I'm just going to type something in here just for ha-has, and I'm going to save it. Did I save it? Yeah, saved it, okay. And if you go back to the site, if you're looking at the site, see, it's got the URL button right there. So whatever you put in there will be there, okay? I'm trying to do this really fast, folks, because there's a lot that you can learn from WordPress. Now, anything you want to do with WordPress, most of it's done with plugins. So say you wanted to put a pop-up on your website, say when somebody visits there, and after about 5 seconds, you want something to pop up that says, "Hey, welcome to my website. Please sign up for my my newsletter," or something like that. Well, you would just go to Add New, and you would put pop-up box, or just pop-up, and hit Enter. And you got all of these different things that you can use. And remember, try to use the ones that's got the check marks next to them. Those are the ones that will work with your website. So another plugin I want to go put in here for you. Make sure that you get this plugin. It's called SEO by Yoast. Okay. Please have this plugin. Oh, well. Did you know Marketplace has a pro version of Yoast? Oh, maybe I messed it up. I just put SEO. Okay, so you scroll down, you'll find Yoast SEO. And most of the time it's compatible with anyone. So you want to install Yoast. Very important. It helps you with your blogging to get yourself SEO'd. You want to be SEO'd. Activate the plugin. Okay, you can start the tour if you want. I'm just going to close the box here. So when you go to SEO, see now you got all this stuff. You got social, which you can put all your social networks in, XML settings, advanced. Every time you write a blog, you scroll down and it's going to show you if you're SEO compliant or not. And so we'll go through more of this stuff, folks, more in the book or the course. Right now, this is just a way you can start playing around with this. And we'll see you at the next course, which would be part 3. So congratulations on getting this far. Ray out.